Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota Prius Touring. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, front-wheel drive hatchback in a sporty blue crush color. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder electronically fueled engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your Prius is your 7-inch touch panel display, as well as your Qi wireless charging station and your smart key system. Helping you into your Prius is your handy proximity key. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. What we're going to do now is we're going to lock those doors up, and I'm going to put the keys into my pocket here. Simply run your hand across the handle, and it'll unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore, especially when your hands are full. Right away we see a cool sporty interior. You have that black trim on the side with your power windows and your power locks, as well as your power adjustable side mirrors. You have your all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. You have your traction control as well as your automatic high beams as part of your Toyota safety sense. Matching the exterior, you have your contrasting blue stitching as well as your soft leather interiors with that great detailing, tying everything together in your Prius. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Prius, simply put your foot on the brake pedal there, and you press your push start button with your proximity key. That dashboard's going to light up with that very nice welcoming screen. You do have your multi-information display up there. Everything's digital. You don't have any analog. Now you can control your multi-information display from your steering wheel mounted controls. You also do have your voice command and your hands-free calling, as well as your volume control and mode changers. You do have your lane departure alert as well as your dynamic radar cruise control. Below here you can set your cruise control distance and speed. Taking a look at your stunning LCD screen, you do have your CD player on top, and opening up your audio system, you do have your AM FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You have your USB auxiliary input, and with your Bluetooth hands-free calling, you have your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now on your screen here, if we go into reverse, your backup camera does pop up right there as well. A great feature to have, keeping everybody nice and safe. Now to switch into drive mode, simply push your shift down and you'll be in drive mode. And to park your vehicle, simply press that button there. You do have your different drive modes too as part of your hybrid. Opening up your applications, your Prius is equipped with a navigation system, which is very, very easy to use. So come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. Below here we have your modern styling on your climate control. You have these chrome tabs to adjust the temperature. You have your electronic automatic climate control, as well as your eco and your air conditioning. Below here, it is a little bit dark, but you do have heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. And a great technology feature of your Prius is your Qi wireless charging station. So you can turn it on and off, and once that green light turns on, you can simply put your phone on there and it will charge without any cords. On the side here, you have your cup holders as well as your 12-volt DC charger and your USB auxiliary input. Inside of your center console here, you do have some removable storage and plenty of space to store everything that you need. Inside of your glove box, you can store all of the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Prius. We're taking one more look at the interior features of your Prius. Plenty of things going on, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Prius. As you can see, you have that double pane glass on your rear windshield. You also do have your handy rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. Below here you have your backup camera as part of your Toyota safety sense. Opening it up now to take a look. Check out all that space that's available to you despite the Prius's compact size. You do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats as well if you need convertible storage for any larger items you want to carry. On the side here you do have your handy hooks for your groceries or anything else you're storing. Underneath your hard cover, you do have all the tools and your jack in case anything does happen. And underneath your styrofoam piece here, you do have your spare tire as well. Closing it up now. Simply pull that handle down. And we'll back up to take one more look at the back of your Prius. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Prius Touring. Built-in features like your lane departure alert with steering assist, as well as your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and don't forget your backup camera with your automatic high beams, all part of your Toyota safety sense to have you riding nice and smooth. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.